How to print from Pinterest. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now select the image that you want to print. Open it. At the bottom of the image, you're going to find a fin option. Click on the share option. The fin options will appear. Navigate to the option More Apps. You're going to find the option of Print. Click on that. With that, you're going to find all the details of the image. Now you have to click on the option of print. With that, the picture will be printed. So this way you can easily print from Pinterest, or also what you can do is click on three dots, click on download image, then open your gallery, hit towards the picture, then click on share option. Now you'll find the option of print. You have to click on it. Provide all the details and click on print. With that, the picture will be printed. So this is how you can easily print from Pinterest. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.